Hello and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Instantly, how do you set up your workspace, and how do you get started with using Instantly. To give you a quick introduction, this tool lets you send cold email sequences to your prospects. So let's say you have ICP or ideal customer profile list. You have the copies that what exactly do you want to say to them. And if you're running any kind of cold email outreach related campaigns, then you can use this tool and reach out to your prospect. Now, this is not an affiliated video. I just use this tool and I thought that it would be relevant to show other users and other marketers out there as well how we can leverage this tool. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do here is open Instantly in your favorite browser, and I have opened it. As you can see, this is the home page of Instantly. What I'm going to do is click on Get Started, and it will ask for your email. So this is the email that I have here. I'll copy this, then use this email. Then I'll create a quick password here. Okay. Then click on I agree to Instantly. Click on Join Now. It will send you some kind of code to verify it. Let's see. Yeah. So see, just give it a couple of minutes and it should be fine. Okay, so as you can see, here we have the email. It took like a couple of seconds before it would have sent. So just verify this. And then you can set up the basic things like what exactly you're going to use Instantly for and how and all those. So I'm going to say that yes, get started. My company, I'll skip. I want to run cold email outreach. You can also do lead generation, campaign management, and all these that I'll show in the further videos. Now click on Let's Go. Now it will take you to some fancy things, but I'll tell you where do you have to go. You don't have to like look further into it. You just simply come to the home page. So this is, you can say this is the home page. This is the first thing that will open once you come to the Instantly. There are these other things in this left side as well. So you don't have to look at this like Instantly Copilot or Instantly AI agent or super search and things like that. You just simply come here for adding your email accounts using which you are going to send your emails. You can come to campaigns to create campaigns so that you can use them and basically reach out to your prospect. You can come here for Unibox where you can see all the replies that your prospects have made to you. You can simply come here and then click on reply. You cannot reply it in this plan because I am not subscribed to a paid plan, but I'll show this step to you later in this video. I mean, not in this video, but in this video series. Click on cancel for now. Then go to analytics. You can see all the analytics, all the data that whatever campaign you have sent, what's the data overall and all those. You have CRM. It's not super functional, but it's fine. You can use this to understand how many leads are in your like account, and then what's the status, how many positives, how many whatever. You can see all those here. Okay. Then you have something like website visitor, then inbox placement, then automations. These are the add-on services by Instantly. Now, if you want, you can buy it. We usually don't need it. We use Instantly mostly for setting up the campaigns and adding emails, adding the leads list, and basically getting replies and replying them back. Um, reply our prospect back from this Unibox section. So that's what we use it for. So this was just a quick video showing you how you can create an Instantly account. I'm going to help you like dive deeper into the whole process of how do you set the whole cold campaign, cold email campaign. Like what's the process? How do you prepare the list? How do you prepare the copies? How do you do the research? How do you find the domains? How do you find the inboxes? And then like how do you set those up? So I'm going to show you all those things end to end. So just follow along in this video series and you will learn all those things. So that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'm looking forward to explain you further. If you have any question, feel free to put that in the text or the comment box wherever you find that, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out. Bye.